In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make rip-off tags for your poster. In order to do this, I'm going to insert a text box that is going to be a rectangle. Don't worry about the size because we are going to resize it in a few moments. So the first thing I'm going to put is my name. And then on the next line, I'm going to put a phone number that I made up. Do not put your actual phone number, just make up a number. I'm going to format this first before I rotate it. So I can increase the font size to whatever font size you want. It's up to you. You don't want to go too large, too small. So I don't recommend going over size 24. I can change the fonts if I would like. I can make it bold. I can change the color. That's all up to you. Then what I want to do is I want to change the color of the border that goes around the box so people can clearly tell where it's to be ripped. So for that, I'm going to go to the border color. I could choose any color, black, blue, whatever you want. I'm going to choose a color. I can go over to border weight and I can make it a little bit thicker. I don't want it super thick. So I want to go maybe 2, 3, definitely no higher than 4. I can do a dashed line if I would like to, or I can do a solid line. Again, that's up to you. Now, to make this into a rip-off, what I want to do is I want to rotate my text box 90 degrees. So it's just standing up and down. And I'm going to move this toward the bottom of my page. Okay, and again, if it's too long, I can always make it shorter because I really do not want it to go and take up too much space because this is where my whole design of my poster is going to be. So you want to only use just a little bit of the page. Now I want multiple of these. So all I have to do is click on the square, the outline, and I want to copy and paste. And I just want to put them right next to each other. So I'm just going to do that a couple of times until I have my entire bottom taken care of. Now remember, use those guidelines. You see this red line that goes across. That means everything is equal. Okay, so once I have all of my rip-offs, then I can continue designing my poster. Now, if I want to make sure that they're all even, if I draw an imaginary rectangle around, it now groups everything so I can grab them all at the same time, and I can use my red line that's going down the middle that tells me that it's centered on the bottom, and then I have my rip-offs.